some breakfast. Alright, we're gonna be cooking some eggs and some bacon for breakfast. Alright, it's time to cook the eggs. On the camera.
Oh.
Say hi.
Animals that are not in the ship. Researchers will also check the heart to amend Bill C-5, which aims to speed up federal project approvals and break down internal industrial projects. The omnibus bill generated controversy, rankling in...
That's the latest from the NBC Newsroom. Remember our news.
You guys can see the bacon. You guys can see the coffee. I'm gonna be watching YouTube while I eat. Right after I eat, I have to feed my dogs, and then I'm gonna be going over to my mom's. Before my mom's, we are gonna be going to the store. I need a little Red Bull because I'm a little tired, even though I have my coffee, but you know, Red Bull will help too, you know. Want your food? You want your food? Yes, you do. There's your food. Go ahead and eat. I just finished eating my bacon. I just have to feed my dogs now. Just gotta feed this one and that one over there if you can see him. Look at this cute dog. Alright, since I finished eating, it's time to wash all these dishes now. I am not excited. Did you guys just see that? I'm finally done. I just need to put the dishes away, but you guys, I am done. Gotta put them away in here, and in here, and in here. Oh yeah, by the way, do you guys like this Austin Matthews Funko Pop? I bought that for my grandpa for Christmas last year. Alright guys, I'm at my desk right now. It's time to be lazy, play some games, watch some YouTube. That's usually what I do after I finish everything I want to do in the morning. Also, I want to let you guys know that I usually don't do this every morning. I do some of it every morning, but not all of it. Like cook breakfast, get ready obviously. I don't do everything that I did in this video every morning. So, but yeah, it's currently exactly 9:30 a.m. in the morning. It's time to do whatever I want to do now. So I could literally just go on for a walk. I could just play games for the rest of the morning. It doesn't matter. How do I like Saskatchewan so far? Sask versus Toronto by Evelyn. The reason why I'm watching her video right now is because I live in Saskatchewan, if you guys didn't know that. Some of you guys who are watching right now know that. But I do live in Saskatchewan. And I actually do want to know what Sask versus Toronto is like, because I do want to live in Toronto as well. But yeah, I'm just going to be watching YouTube. I'll see you guys whenever my sister pulls up. Alright, as you guys can see, I'm walking down the road. London, this dog right here, he's so annoying. He almost tripped me like right now. Look how beautiful it looks out here. But yeah, like I said earlier, I'm walking down the road to meet up with my sister. She's going to pick me up at the end of the road. And we're going to head to the store and I'm going to get some Red Bull. Also, let me know in the comments below if you guys like the camera quality. I'm filming on the Canon V10 and I'm planning on getting a better camera. But after the clips I got of me cooking and stuff, I feel like this camera is really good for how cheap it is and how small and compact it is. So let me know in the comments below if you guys like this camera. Huh? So what's up?
Hi.
Why are you hiding your face? What the Guys, I came here just for this. Got the goodies.
Huh?
Got the goodies.
The goodies.
Y'all say hi to my sister's dog. That one's Halo. You calling your dog a stupid mutt?
Yeah, he's stupid. Hey, Halo.
And this one's DeAndre's dog. Tina. Want to say hi? Say hi. Yo, here's your leash back for the dog. I took it off. It was on her all night, bro.
Was it?
Yeah, she just left it on there.
Ah, don't do that to Tina, okay? Do you hear me? Do you hear me with these ears? Get the fuck off the way.
Just on the way. Ouch, my big bag.
They're cramping up.
Look how cute this dog is. Say what's up to the vlog.
Sigma.
Nah, I said what's up, not Sigma.
I have an important message here. When it rains, it pours.
Alright, tell us about your dream.
Guys, I had a dream that I was in a mall and like I could have anything I wanted because there's a zombie apocalypse and I was just taking everything, and then John Wick came out of nowhere and he touched me.
And then he what?
And then he literally shot me in the head.
Okay.
You wanna know what I found out last night?
Oh,
So you know Sky, right?
yeah.
So it turns out when I was friends with her, and like Clifford used to be my friend too, she used to give him dirty looks.
On God?
Yeah, she gave anyone who looked at me dirty looks. Any of my friends. They just found that out last night.
Dang. Sky is Leslie's ex. If Sky still likes you and sees you with Clifford, dang. He's over here laughing. 2 black coffees, 3 cigarettes, and no breakfast. That's literally DeAndre, bro. That's that dude right there. That's it. Alright, we're on our way to the beach. Guys, we just made it to the park. You look super excited to be here.
Real excited.
Yeah, we're gonna be walking around the park. Almost just ate shit.
Is the tetherball set up?
Tetherball?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not. You would have got shat on, bro.
Not even.
We used to play tetherball in middle school a lot. If you guys know what that
You
is.
could have bought your basketball.
Nah, the rim sucks. There's a basketball court here. It's super ass. Guys, it literally has no rim. Oh, get dumped on. You guys, I hate the sand. Oh my god, my toes. Alright, I'm gonna be swinging. Pretty fun.
Look, there's a bridge.
There's a bridge? Where at? Oh shit, that's a tiny ass bridge though. Oh shit, I almost fell. Alright guys, we're at the park. No idea what we're doing here. So Vay, you gonna buy me food?
Why is she all the way over there? Fuck.
I think she wants to commit. Guys, she's all the way over there if you guys can see her. She's like a little speck over there. Guys, look how beautiful this looks.
It'd be funny if I jumped in.
Jump in for the vlog.
I don't know how to get this going, but you guys are right there behind the tree. All of you guys. To be honest, I don't even know what I'm doing, but yeah, this is how I record, guys. Yes. Okay, bye.
Alright guys, we just been swimming, me and Leslie. We just went in fully clothed. It's been pretty fun. Just had to update you guys. How was it, Vay?
Boring.
She was just sitting here. All of us were just swimming. Me and Leslie jumped off that dock right there. Me and the family are gonna be eating here now. I recorded that. Bro almost fell. Look at her struggling down there. No. My ice cream. You see how good this looks? Alright. We basically just got... Oh, it's raining super badly. But we literally just got back from my house and now we're going back because we need some spicy noodles. We can't live without spicy noodles, bro. Let's go outside.
Let's go outside. I'm going alone. Unlock the vehicle.
Alright, it's my turn. I put my camera away. I'm so wet from just walking outside for a little bit. Pause. She's trying to get the dog away from under the van. And it's raining super hard. No, she's a real one. Let me put this shit in park. She's trying to get the dog out of there. Oh my god, it's raining horrible right now.
Where'd I put my phone? Oh, it's right here.
Just sitting on it. Where'd I put my phone? Just sitting on it. The camera doesn't show how bad it is right now, but the weather is super bad. It's raining like it's pouring right now. All for fucking food. We did this for food. We're fucking fat asses. Alright, for the vlog, I'm gonna make her take a shot of Tabasco. It's literally 1:07 a.m. It's okay.
It's not. The shit you make me do at 1 o'clock, bro.
Just take a shot from the thing.
Oh, that's disgusting.
They have some. Hey, was it good? My turn to take a shot of Tabasco at 1 a.m. Tabasco. Ooh. Oh, hell no.